Today, I'm going to share how digital internal audits help drive business outcomes in 2021. In fact, the facts I'm about to share with you have helped our clients scale up their internal audit efficiency. And thanks to these top five factors, our clients have derived actual benefits for their businesses. I'm not going to give you generic advice like go digital with your audits right now. You already know that. That's basic. Instead, I'm going to share with you little known digital internal audit factors that are working right now for different organizations. Hi, I am Santosh Nalayapan, the creator of Audit 360, the place where internal auditors turn to for faster and seamless internal audits. So, without further ado, let's start things off with factor number one. The first factor is speed of audit execution. A good digital internal audit management solution can enhance the speed of audit execution by multiple notches. And there are three elements which I want to cover here. One is the field audit, the speed of the field audit by itself. A good digital solution, especially if it can offer you a mobile app, can help the field audit increase its speed. Second element, the ability to execute agile audits at this high speed. And the third element, quick data collection. And with that, it's time for our second factor. The second factor is speed of reporting. According to many chief audit executives, speed of reporting happens to be one of the challenges that is faced by internal audit across multiple industries, multiple domains. It comes as a spoil sport when it comes to different factors of internal auditing. A quick reporting turnaround is what an ideal internal audit team requires. Now, in this, I wish to cover three elements. Fast and efficient audits, but slow reporting can cause serious problems. That's element number one. Element number two, 2 to 3 weeks gap, or sometimes 2 to 3 months delay in the reports reaching the decision makers can cause serious damages to the organization. It could be a reputational loss, it could be a regulatory loss, or it could be financial loss. All of this can hamper the business big time. And the third element is decision ready reports and analysis is what decision makers need to be able to make timely decisions and impactful decisions. And this can be really impacted by a good digital internal audit management tool. Now let's get into our third factor. The third factor is flexibility or configurability. Digital audits bring in, or they are supposed to bring in, flexibility and configurability into internal audits. There are four different elements that I would like to cover here. One, the ability to create checkpoints or controls as required by the organization. Two, the ability to configure audits on the fly, creating different audit programs on the fly, and in fact, changing them as and when needed, because our requirements do not stay the same. According to the changing business environment, the audit program itself has to undergo changes. Digital audits help you bring in those changes with a lot of ease. Third point is getting into concepts like remote audits. According to the changing situation, the internal audit team can adopt and adapt into newer technologies, newer possibilities. And the fourth point, but not the least, is different ways of execution. There are controls where a detailed execution, a detailed approach is required at the internal auditor's end. And there are places where speed is the key. For example, checking multiple samples for a given control. So, different modes of execution in digital audit can help you change according to the requirement that the internal auditor has. And then with that, let's move on to our next factor. Our fourth factor is reliable digital data at source. Here I want to talk about three elements. When data is being captured, especially at high speed, it has to be reliable and secure. That's our first point. The second element is the data format should be easy to analyze. In fact, digital internal audits can help you standardize the input that's coming from internal auditors, which not only makes the data easy to analyze, it also helps you to get that much more deeper into the control when you analyze the information later on. And the third element, the last but not the least, internal audit teams cannot rely on public communication tools, for example, WhatsApp or Viber. These are not tools where you communicate or transact details of internal audit. Data in itself is very confidential when it comes to your organizations. What you report, what internal auditors report, maybe through these channels today, are breaches to internal processes and policies, also sometimes regulatory requirements. These breaches cannot go out of the organizations. These have to stay strictly within the organization. And for that, it is always better that you go to a digital internal audit tool that can keep your data confidential. That's the element that digital internal audit brings. And with that, let's move on to our last and final factor. Our fifth and the most important factor, innovation. Digital internal audits make innovations possible in internal audit, whether it is about the techniques or the technology. Innovation is a key. Now, I wish to talk about three different elements over here. The first one, remote audits. I'm just quoting this as an example. COVID has changed our life. The entire work culture has moved from working from office to working from home or working from anywhere else, wherever we are staying. This has impacted internal audit also. Today we are talking about remote audits. This is possible only because we are digital in terms of audits. If that has not happened, remote audit will never be a possibility that you can think of. Second aspect is reporting and dashboarding. When we think of internal audits, we think of printed reports. Internal audits are in fact synonymous with these printed reports which are handed out to board of directors or audit committee members when it comes to reviews. In fact, innovation can drive you to a place where the board members or audit committee members can talk to an assistant of this internal audit tool and gather whatever information they need from that application directly, maybe through a mobile app that they have. That's the innovation that we are talking about. And last but not the least, the third element, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics. All of your organizations, irrespective of the domain that you are, will be talking about artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics. But it will be for your core business. Why only limit it to the core business? Why not bring it into internal audit? It can revolutionize internal audit. It can disrupt internal audit forever. Just take one example of control testing of the samples. Today, because of limited time available with the auditors, you may be going with a sample size of maybe 10%, 15%, or 20%, depending upon the time that is available with your auditors. With robotics, we can move this percentage into the entire sample universe. And that, in fact, is a big jump. So, innovation by far is the most important factor among different factors that we discussed today when it comes to digital internal audits. So, did you learn something new from this video? If yes, then make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Just click in the subscribe button below this video. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Now, I want to turn it over to you. Which factor from this video are you going to implement at your organization? Or do you have one or two factors that I have not mentioned in this video which you want to share? In that case, please comment right now.